Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to share Excel workbook file with the others. Let us do it. Move to here, share. First, you have to save your file to cloud. Click on this. Come to OneDrive. Click here. Wherever you want, you can save your file in. I would save here. Save. Here, if you have already saved the contact email, then directly you can share with. Otherwise, you can add new contact. Click on this. I have already saved this email. You can add email here. I have added one more email. Click OK. The contact is already added. And then click on this. Send to. Press OK. As you can see here, the contact is added. Here we have two options. Can edit, can view. Can edit, you will allow the person you shared the file with to edit the file. Can view, the person can only view the file, cannot edit. Here, after sharing the file, ask me if the person want to open the file, cannot open without asking you. Here you will allow the person without asking you, always can open. If you choose never, the person cannot open the file. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.